Hey everybody, this is Lance from thetatraders.com. This video I want to go over a new service I'm helping with education, and it is a buy-side alert service. What we do is we buy an SPY contract, either a call or a put, and then you do a set take profit and stop loss order. I did a live stream on this last night. It's a really valuable service. It is anti-theta traders. I am looking at different strategies that will take advantage of market moves that aren't necessarily option selling. So I'm going to show you the trade today and how you get access. All right, so in this service, it's very straightforward. Right at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, it's going to say the current price of SPY, and then you're going to buy a at the money or very close to at the money call or put, and then it'll say the entry price, and then you do a take profit order and a stop loss order. Take profits typically about 20% of the entry. Stop loss is about 40%. And then it gives you a sizing guide, how many contracts to do per $2,000 to $3,000 account. And today, took in the trade, and a few seconds after it, it was 1.84 for my entry price. You still do the take profit and stop loss at the same prices as before. And then you can see I closed it at 208 a little bit later. So this is a pretty passive trade. You just enter the trade in, do a one cancels all other order, OCO order, and then you just see what happens. Back test is looking really good, and you could see the live stream in the link in the description down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one.